Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you what I packed in these Operation Christmas Child boxes, and this is for the age range of a 2 to 4-year-old boy and girl. So if you're looking for any ideas, then hopefully you find this to be helpful. And this is the first time that I've ever sent boxes that were wrapped, so I was really grateful that my sister was able to help me with that. So this is the overview of the boy box. So the first thing inside is a pencil case, and I included some safety scissors, a pencil sharpener, as well as some pencils. And there's a little ball with a happy face on it. And this is a water bottle, and inside of the water bottle are some socks and some Play-Doh. And there's some binoculars, a washcloth, some soap, and a toothbrush. Then these very cute little doggies. And this is some markers and an I Spy book. A notebook, some crayons, and these two really nice t-shirts. I'll show you the different designs. And it's a nice skateboard design for that one. And then this one has a football design, and it says "Take the Field." And some flip-flops, and it says "Awesome." And then an activity and a coloring book, and it's Caillou. And lastly, a Christmas card, and I included a picture of me and my family. Here's how inside the girl box looks, and it's jam-packed with all sorts of goodies. So first is a pencil case, and inside is some safety scissors, pencils, and a sharpener. Then a washcloth, a bar of soap. This is some scrunchies and some hair clips and all sorts of hair accessories. And a little pink happy face ball, this little nurse piggy, and it's actually a storybook. So I thought that was really fun, and it's nice and soft. And then a TY and a water bottle, and inside of the water bottle is underwear and some Play-Doh. And there's some crayons, markers, a toothbrush, a notebook, a Franklin book, these adorable unicorn flip-flops, and this pretty ballerina shirt. Love the design on there, and nice and sparkly as well. And this Barbie coloring book. And last but not least, a Christmas card, and I included a picture of me and my family.